Quick tutorial for one-time password. So, kapag nag-open kayo ng bangko sa favorite bank na gusto nyo, just wait for 2 to 3 days at may darating sa inyong ganito. Ang tawag dyan is one-time password. So, all you have to do is log in to your iPhone or computer device at sundan nyo lang yung step by step na nakalagay dyan. So anyways guys, may hinihingi dyan na 10 serial number na nasa likod lang nito. Dyan nyo yan ilalagay. So heto na ha, ilalagay nyo lang dyan yung bank account number nyo, tapos yung one-time password na ibinigay nyo sa bangko at ito lang ang mga i-click nyo. At pagkatapos nyong maisulat yung final confirmation ng 6 digit, you're all done. Thank you.